Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you this little gadget that my husband made for me to shake paint bottles. Wasn't my idea. I found it on YouTube, a video explaining how to do it. But all you need is an old jigsaw. You take the plate off the bottom and take the blade out, and we bought this little clamp at Harbor Freight. It's one of the little, let's figure out how to work these things. But the little like wood clamps, they're $1.99, and if your jigsaw has an adapter here for the blade that is split, you can probably fit this little clamp in just as it is. But ours had a solid with just a slot in it. So my husband had to file down the end of this to make it a little bit narrower so that it fit in. So we just put the clamp in the jigsaw in place of a blade and tighten it down. And then you can put your paint bottles in. Just slide this little foot down so that your paint bottle fits in, then clamp it up so it tightens. Try to center it on there and clamp it pretty good so it doesn't come out. Make sure your lid's on tight. And then you can just turn on the jigsaw and it'll shake your paint. I hate shaking paint bottles, so this is really nice to be able to use. So you'll just have to experiment with how long you need to shake it. I guess it just depends on how old the bottle is and how much it's been sitting. But I have a lot of bottles of paint that I haven't really used. I don't use the color. But when I do pull it out, I just hate sitting there and shaking the bottle. So you might want to do this over a garbage can in case this pops out. But once you're done, just loosen the bottle, and we'll see how this one came out. But you can see it's pretty creamy and remixed. So I'll link the original video that I followed the instructions from, or my husband followed the instructions from, I should say. He's the one who made this for me. And if you have an old jigsaw or find one at a garage sale or flea market and go to Harbor Freight and buy this little clamp, you got a really inexpensive little paint shaker. If you have any questions, just drop me a comment. Thank you.